Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we've got a nice exciting recipe for you. It's Gajar Halwa. It's a really quick and easy way of making it. So it's not the usual traditional way, but it is much quicker, much easier, and it tastes just as good. So what you're going to need is around 500 grams of washed grated carrots. This serves around 4 to 5 people, but obviously if you're going to have more people over, then of course add more carrots and adjust the ingredients accordingly. So as you can see here, I've already grated my carrots, washed and grated my carrots. Like I said, it's about 500 grams or so. So for me this was about, the small medium size is about 10 to 11 pieces of the carrots. So now we need to heat up a pan on medium heat for about a minute or so, and we need to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee. It's always nice to fry the carrots in ghee, because it gives a really good fragrance. So please try and get your hands on some cardamom powder, because it really adds a really lovely flavour to the halwa. So just once you put it in, just make sure you mix it straight away so it doesn't burn, and only put a quarter teaspoon in, because you don't want to overpower it either. So now add the grated carrots into the warmed up oil. So what we need to do here is just let the carrots fry in the ghee for at least 3 to 4 minutes or so. Just let it keep frying in, so you will notice that it becomes a little bit softer and a little water will come out as well. So just keep mixing. So after 3 to 4 minutes has passed, we need to now just cover the pan and let the carrots cook on medium heat. Obviously in between, try and just give it a mix so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan or burn, but just let it cook for a good 10 to 12 minutes. So now that the carrots have cooked for a good 10 to 12 minutes, we're now going to add 200 millilitres of condensed milk. Now that's if you like it quite sweet, but if you like it moderate or not too sweet, then you can add between 150 to 170 millilitres. It's entirely up to you. So what we want to do now is we want to, on low to medium heat, we want to just keep mixing until we notice the milk has dried up and the carrots have softened. This will take you around another 10 to 12 minutes or so. You will notice once the milk has dried up, the texture of the carrots will change and they will turn more into a halwa looking texture. So keep going and just keep mixing. Halfway through, which is around here, you will notice a slight change. So you'll start noticing the milk is slowly starting to dry up, and we are nearing the end. After about 8 to 9 minutes, you can definitely see a change in the halwa. So now what I've done is I've changed the heat to medium heat now. It's no longer on low to medium heat, so it's on medium heat, so it's cooking a bit quicker. So the milk has nicely soaked into the carrots have softened up, and we've got more of a Gajar Halwa look now. So we have to keep cooking for a little bit longer now, and we will nearly be ready to serve. So not long now, we're nearly there. So now I add about 5 to 6 pieces of sultanas. I really feel this brings out a nice taste to the halwa, but it is up to you whether you want to add them or not. But yeah, if you want to, you can. You don't have to. So once the halwa looks like this, dry and quite soft as well, we can now turn the heat off and pour into a bowl ready to serve. Okay, so once I've poured the halwa into the bowl, I now slice up about 6 to 7 pieces of pistachios, and I just decorate the top of the halwa. It is up to you whether you want to use pistachios. Some people can use roasted cashews. Once again, this is up to you whether you want to do that or not, but it does make it look nice as well. So guys, we are ready to serve. Hope you guys have enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.